Commander Mone, today ngiza nendaba ezimnandi. Ezimnandi ngithi uNkulunkulu akawadli amandla omuntu. Nyangizwa namhlanje ngijabule ukudlula yonke into ongayicabanga. uNkulunkulu out of ngiphumile ngiyosebenzela iMK Labour Desk. Sisungule i-union ebizwa ngokuthi i-South Africa is not for sale workers union. And le union my comrades siqala ukuregister ngoNovember. All along ama comrades abesebenza sisebenzisa ummeli ukudila nama issues akwa CCMA, our bargaining council, as a Labour court, even High Court. We were using ummeli my comrade. uNkulunkulu ke wavele waqathaza ibhomu today. Sengisholo nakulaba ukhona nomhlabelelo othi noma ningangihleka kodwa uNkulunkulu ungizwile. Today uNkulunkulu uzwile njenge MK Labour Desk. Ngifuna ukudeclare officially ukuthi i-South Africa is not for sale workers union is officially registered. Uyayizwa ke lonto? Asithengwanga sisi-applyele and isahlala and makomplete okubuhlungu bese kuphuma bona abantu abasuka la endlini ekade sibasebenza kade sisebenza nabo sebethi bephume bathi iSanfosa is not registered. Thina ke besisebenza kunjalo because esikwazi ukusiza nje umsebenzi. Basebenzi sikhululekile, we are free today. The child is born. The new child on the block is South Africa is not for sale workers union. I-union esiyoyilanda nene Monday sizobe sisepitoli officially siyosilanda certificate my comrade and sibuye naso size la Tuesday sicela kube usuku lembhiyozo ndawo khona bhiyozela certificate se Sanfosa South Africa is not for sale workers union nawo khona. Uma nikwazi ukufinyelela la isikhona sizobe selapha eBish mnize bafowethu bring and share lapha sizo celebrate nje impumelelo ongakazi uyibona. Ufuna ukunitshela selokhu umkhonto wabakhona yiki union eke ya register yaba registered. We fought for it up until today. uNkulunkulu walenza icebo. Basebenzi sikhululekile ke manje. Wonke umuntu oyensimini akazi ukuthi Sanfosa is there. And uSanfosa uyena onjani osebenza neMK Labour Desk ukhulula umsebenzi enkingeni abhekene nayo. Sikhona ke ma comrade wozani ngo10 nje siyayiqala iprogram yethu siyabhiyoza eBishi. Wonke ama activists ethu siyawacela ukuthi abe khona aphumelele. Nani bakwethu ke eningezukuza fakani kwi-account yoyelo kuze ye-union nifake imali yokuthi siyodla inyama siyoyishisa inyama ukuze sonke sithi God is on our side and this is time where God will stand for iSanfosa. Siyabonga kakhulu sonqoba kuzonyakaza zonke ke inkampani ebelokhu zithi bring certificate. The certificate is there. Mandla